Hello guys and welcome back to how to make a paper aeroplane but in a different style. It's a classic aeroplane. Will go very fast. Let's go in the video. So as you can see here, we need a normal paper. Since it's a classical aeroplane, you don't need any other thing else but only a paper. So now if you see, this is our paper. We need to fold this side of the paper to here, to the middle of the grid line. So middle of the grid line, fold this to this. And your paper will look like this. Because you fold it from here to here, but straight to the grid line. Let me show you how. From here, first we must fold on top and fold it to like this. Hopefully straight. You can see a line here like this. Take on top tip here and fold it as how I draw in the board. It must be straight to the grid line. Fold it. Make sure it's fully tight. And you fold it sharp on top must be here. And this is how your aeroplane must look like. So now we must do the other side too. The side, same thing as you did for this side, must do for this side too. Let me show you. Now, as the board shows, from this tip right here to here. Let's fold it, make sure it's straight and in line with the grid line. Make sure it's sharp on top. Make sure both is sticking together. And now fold. Make sure it's sharp on top. Now you will have something like this. Now let's go for the next step. Now your airplane should look like this. But now, not only living like this, it's another fold that you must do. From this must go to here. From this corner to the middle, right here. This is how it look like after you fold it. It look more sharper than this side. Now do the same thing for this side from here to here. So this is how it must look like. Even more sharper and longer than it. Now let me show you how it's done. Now it'll be a triangle like this. Hold this corner, go it to here. Fold it more. Make sure it's on the grid line too. Okay, then fold it. Make sure the top tip is sharp. It will look like this. Now the other side, here to here. Same as here's sharpness. There, it should look like this. Full triangle. Now from this we must fold fully, as see the grid line right here. Fold it from here to here fully like this. Let me show you how it actually look like after you fold it. sharp in the bottom, then be straight right here, then on top like this. Then the other side too. It will look like this after you fold it together. Let me show you how. Now from this, we must fold it fully like this, like a folding a bread. Make sure it's in line right here. Then fold it, and voila. Make sure here is sharp too, then only it'll go very fast and also very far. And now the second step is from it, you must fold it from this, you must fold it here, this end, at this end, at this end, to here, like this. So I will show you. Like this. Then here's the folded part. Like this. So from here to here, I fold it down here to here. I'll show you how now. So now we must fold this. I'll show you guys. This, these two ends down like this. Then turn it up. Make sure this tip is sharp. I know I say it every time, but it's important too. Now also, same like this, flip to the other side and do the same thing as well. It's very easy, no? And our aeroplane is, I'd say, 80% done. Folded it. So done. Now the final 100% finisher. It's easy. Just open it up. There's a handle here. Hold it, and there you go. Your super fast aeroplane. Voila! Your aeroplane is ready. Let me show you how it works. And now let's test this airplane out on how far does it even go. If it reaches there until the gate, you must like and subscribe. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. It reaches the door. So I want to like and subscribe and try this airplane now. It's very fast. Thank you. And now, thank you for watching my video and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Peace out.